125cc cylinder kit for a Yamaha BWS and Aerox 100 here. I'm just going to unbox it and show you what you get in the kit and show you the basic process that we go through every time we get a cylinder kit in to make sure that when you get it, it's ready to go. So there we go, there's the kit. You see Malossi always put your gudgeon pin and your circlips in the bottom, and they usually will insert the rings just in the bottom here. Now, to stop them from snapping, the easiest way to get them out is to use the piston to push them out. That way it pushes them out completely square and it can't damage them. So there they are, on two rings, and there's the piston. Obviously a pretty big piston, it's a 125cc, so these are pretty awesome kit in the BWS and the Aerox 100. So see there's the ports inside there. Give them a quick check, make sure they're all good. No dags or anything hanging around. We've got our rings here. We'll have a look at what else is in the kit here. Got your gaskets, base gasket, head gasket's usually the metal one, and your exhaust gasket there. And then some carbon reeds for the reed valve as well. These just help with sort of the instant response when you hit the throttle, because they're a little bit more flexible. So go ahead and chuck those back in and get to the piston. Alright, so one of the things that we usually do is, before we send the kit away, we'll put the rings on the piston just to make it a little bit easier for you when the kit arrives. Even when you've done it a few times, it can be a little bit tricky, so to save you from, if it's your first time, stuffing it up and potentially snapping a ring and having a really bad day, I'll put them on there for you. Okay, so I'll just show you. You'll see there's a little ring one, and there's another one over here. Just find it. There it is. So line those up. Arrow to the exhaust port. And it goes, ready to go. So when this customer gets his cylinder, it's going to be ready to go. Ready to oil the rings, oil the piston up and put it straight in. And that's that. So I'll pack that one back up and get it off to the customer.